Hey guys, Adam with Hennessey Performance, and I'm here to share an exciting new partnership with Galpin Ford here in Los Angeles. You can find the entire Ford Hennessey lineup here at Galpin. They are built on the ground, ready to go with financing available. We're talking high horsepower builds, tuned suspensions, upgraded everything. There is no waiting list, no coming soon. These monsters are built on the lot and waiting for you. Some of the inventory that you can find here will include our Velociraptor lineup, which is the 600 and 1000 horsepower variant, the Venom 800 F-150, both lifted and lowered, as well as an 850 horsepower Super Venom Mustang platform. It is incredible. These vehicles will not last long, so guys, stop waiting. Get down to Galpin Ford today and drive off the lot in your new Hennessey.